So this is my pen drive. I want to check the read and write speed of this pen drive. So first of all, I will go here, type CMD, and you can see here, run as administrator. I will click run as administrator. Now you will see a C Windows System 32. Now I will type the command. Now since my drive is D, so I will write here D and press enter. Now you can see the process has started. So you can see here the result has appeared. So I have read speed of 40 MB per second and write speed of 7.48 MB per second. So this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching.